Hey guys, so today we're going to be creating a soft pink peachy makeup tutorial look. Just something simple. I'm just starting off with applying my Joa hydrating primer to go to. Next, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. brow kit. I don't really like super harsh brows. I just like taking my angle brush, if that's what it's called. I don't know. I just like taking my angle brush and just doing light strokes along my brows. Nothing too strong. Just something simple. Yeah, just simple. I'm going to work, so yeah. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Glossier concealer. I believe it's in the shade G4 or G5. I don't remember. But just to conceal, cover up any dark areas underneath my eyes. For the base color on my eyelid, I'm just going to be taking this pink shade and just pretty much covering up the entire area of my eyelid, just as a base color to start off with. Next, I'm going to be taking this dark purple shade and just going to be smoking it out on the outer part of my eye just to give it that slight smoky effect. Okay, so honestly, this is the best part. I'm gonna take this sparkly pink and just lightly dab it in the center part of my eyelid. It is so pretty, like I cannot even explain to you how beautiful this color is. So here, I'm just going to be going back in with that mauve purple on the outer part of my eye, just to give it that nice smoky effect look.
from above. Everyday would seem turning into love zone. Me to your a world where roses bloom. When you speak.
Next, I'm going to be going in with my Glossier Skin Tint Foundation in the shade G4 or G5. I cannot remember for the life of me. It's very light coverage, very dewy foundation. It's perfect for, you know, something just to wear to start my shift. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hill Moonstone Highlighter.
When you press me to your
Next, I'm just going to be going in with my 3CE face blush in the color Full of Charm. This honestly just makes the look even more, just more beautiful. I just like to apply it on the areas where I apply my highlighter and just bringing it in to the bridge of my nose. Now, before I apply my 3CE lip tint, I always like to go in with my Glossier Balm.com lip salve, just so my lips don't get too dry when I go for like a gradient lip look. And yeah, there we have it, my soft pink peachy makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.